So guys, in this video I will show you how to start data enrichment on Zoho CRM platform. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here. After that select this profile icon and now go with this option right here called Access Zoho CRM. Now select this settings icon and scroll down and you can see this data enrichment option. Now just select it and select this button right here called Get Started. Now click on this and you can see these data enrichment options that are available on your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys start your data enrichment on Zoho CRM platform. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.